So how to add a new column or update the column name from your table. Okay. And the syntax is alter table, enter your table name, add brand info. Okay. And which is the var character maximum. Copy this code, go to Visual Studio, then paste here. Look at this. And there are only two columns for my brand table. First one is brand ID and second one is brand name. But I want to add a new column and the column name is brand info. So you need to add brand info into your table. Okay. And this is your table name and column name which is var character. Okay. Now select this and execute and refresh. Okay, go to our brand table, select top 100. Okay, and use and another column will be added. This is the brand info and the information is done because I don't add the values of brand info into my table. Okay,